What's up guys, this is Tampatec and this is the Neakasa Pet Groomer. This is a pet grooming vacuum to get rid of all the pet hair in your house. Let's go ahead and get started. So my wife is gonna show us some of the accessories. This right here,
grooming brush.
And they're all labeled. So there's designated spots for these brushes and these accessories.
Picture shows right here.
Alright, this right here is the nozzle. Yeah, the cleaning nozzle, and there's a picture right here showing you where to put it.
Just to clean up parts of your house.
This is the trimmer. That's if you want to cut the hair. And there's different sizes. Oh, no. She wants to take off. So this right here, it starts off with 1.2 millimeter. And you could actually remove this and easily clean it, as you can see.
It starts off from 3 millimeters. And it goes all the way up to 24 millimeters.
All right, this is a brush. This is to clean your clothes and
couch,
or the couch.
Surfaces.
And this
That's
right here.
the detangler or de-shedder.
So the de-shedder and the groomer also have this little device that you push on and it sucks out the hair off the brush into the vacuum hose. You can easily remove the container by pushing back right here and lifting up. There's 3 speeds, low, medium, and high. Low is really quiet. I guess they have that setting so it doesn't freak out your pet. And then medium's not scaring her too much. Alright, now she's getting a little bit nervous. So we're gonna set it at low. I think that the low setting is really good. Yeah, I am getting hair. Let me go ahead and get a little bit more. It's always good to have treats nearby.
She's doing really good, aren't you, proud of her? What a good kitty.
Other side. So we're going to turn it to the max so we can suck out the pet hair.
Wow, that's cool.
And we're going to switch to the de-shedder.
See, that's the brush she likes. Normally when I brush her, that's the one that she likes anyways, more so than that wired one. She prefers this kind.
Alright, so now I'm going to turn it up higher. This is a really great gift for anyone who has a pet, right?
Yeah, I think so.
I want to start a pet grooming service now. Make some money off of this thing. Now with the clipper actually turns on once you push it on. So right now it's turned off, and then when you go ahead and connect it, now it's on. See? Alright, so once you're done, you can turn up the vacuum. Alright, so as you notice that he ran away because the vacuum's louder. So that's why I say keep it on a low setting. And then when you're done, you just turn up the vacuum and then push back right here and sucks out the hair. So guys, that was the demo for the Neakasa P1 Pro. If you guys are interested in this item for yourselves, check out the links in the video description below. If you found this video informative, give me a big thumbs up. If you know anyone that might be interested in the Neakasa P1 Pro, go ahead and click on the share button below and share this video to them, help someone out. Subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech videos. Thanks guys for watching.